Hello friends, we welcome you all to watch how we can edit the real estate photos by using some photo editing options and commands. Let's start our visual journey towards the process. So keep watching with us, and do like if enjoyed by you. Also make sure to subscribe. First we remove out the shadow. Now we move towards the dark area to make it bright. Make selection of darkest area with select tool. Keep patience while making selection. Adjust your brightness slider to brighten up the area much more bright. Now is the time to remove the unnecessary spots with tools like healing. It will clone that area from the nearest areas with the same pixels. See the magic of healing tool. It will clone the area from the nearest areas with the same pixels. Fix up the damaged road areas. Select the staircase, and fix up the color levels, as per sunshine. Correct up the wall of this artificial pot with the clone tool. Start removing all the wires. That is the biggest obstacle in the beautification of any photo. Do this removal job very carefully, so that all the wires can be cleaned accurately and smartly. Now we move to change up the sky with the new sky image and adjust colors as per the need of environment. Apply some color adjustments to some elements, like tree, wall, road. One by one start adjusting of their color's brightness, contrast, hue level and saturation levels. Now see this final digital artwork with the earlier state and compare with before state. For more good results, one can edit more. So that's all here. We ends up with this clip and hope that all steps are understandable in an easy way. Watch out our other clips on Pix and Designs to know more in the future of digital art.